Welcome to the Vikram Sarabhai Library video guide. In this video, we will learn how to download an article from PressReader.com. Visit the library website library.iima.ac.in and select the All Databases under the Databases category. Scroll down to the All Databases page and click on PressReader.com under the Newspaper and Magazines section. Explore PressReader.com by browsing available titles or using the search bar to find a specific newspaper or magazine. Select Page View or Text View and click on the three-dot menu on top and select the Print option for the download.